This is John with WTI, and I gotta be honest, I haven't slept so good in a while since I got this. This is the Febreze softener for fabrics. It's just so good, and I'm gonna tell you why. What I do is that I spray this after I just clean everything, my pillow and everything related to my bed. I just spray one or two of this, and this just smells great. It gives you this great smell, great sensation whenever you're about to sleep. Or you can just do this with your clothes. Just spray it out a little bit, and just when you put it on, it's just the smell, the softness, the whole idea into this. It's just great. And the fact that you just give them a couple of sprays and it would stay here for a long time. Look how excited I sound about this. I just love smells. So this actually does a great job. And if you're, in my case, it just helps me to sleep better. The smell is great, and it just stays for a great time. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point.